Three ways to fix iPhone email not working. So all you have to do first is to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet connection. So make sure that you're connected to one. Now, the other way is you can go here to your settings and then you can find mail. Basically, just go here to your general. Basically, you're gonna refresh the application and then reinstall it again. It will just simply refresh or buffer the mail. Now, the last thing that you can fix if it still doesn't work that way is you can go here to you will see mail here, click on mail, and then tap on account. Now, here on account, if you've logged into the account, what you're going to do is you're going to delete that account, sign out to that account, and then tap on add account and log into that account again or log into the account that you want or you wish to be logged into. So you can use iCloud or Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, you can so on and so forth. It really depends on you. But for me, I'm just gonna go to Google here and it will redirect me and it will ask for me to sign in to continue in iOS and just authorize it. And basically, you are now set. And if it still doesn't work that way, the very last option that I can offer is for you to restart your phone. And basically, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.